HyperEnhancer AI is the latest AI software that's taking the digital world by storm. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool so you can make an informed decision. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing insights that could completely change the way you approach digital marketing and automation. Plus, there's a special free trial link down below so you can try out HyperEnhancer AI yourself. So, what exactly is HyperEnhancer AI? It's a powerful new tool that's designed to supercharge your productivity and streamline your workflows. Whether you're in content creation, digital marketing, or e-commerce, this AI tool promises to enhance your processes, saving you time and boosting results. But before you jump in, there are some things you absolutely need to know. First off, HyperEnhancer AI is incredibly intuitive. You don't need a technical background to start using it. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner, its interface is user-friendly, making it easy to integrate into your existing systems. It's designed to be plug and play, and that's what makes it stand out from other AI software out there. One of the most compelling features of HyperEnhancer AI is its automation capabilities. It can handle repetitive tasks that typically take up your valuable time, like lead generation, content curation, and even customer support automation. This is a game changer, especially for businesses looking to scale quickly without hiring a huge team. Another huge selling point is the personalization aspect. HyperEnhancer AI doesn't just automate tasks, it actually customizes its processes based on your specific business needs. This level of customization is something I haven't seen from many other tools in this space, and it gives you an edge when tailoring campaigns to your target audience. But here's the kicker. HyperEnhancer AI also uses advanced machine learning to continuously improve itself. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. This is critical because it means the tool doesn't just stay static. It evolves with your business, adapting to new trends and challenges. It's like having a dedicated digital marketing assistant who gets better over time. One of the most underrated features of HyperEnhancer AI is its analytics dashboard. It provides real-time insights that allow you to track the effectiveness of your campaigns, helping you fine-tune your strategies in real time. With other software, you might be left guessing, but with HyperEnhancer, you have data-driven insights right at your fingertips. Of course, no software is perfect, and HyperEnhancer AI does have a learning curve. While it's beginner-friendly overall, you may need a bit of time to fully explore all of its advanced features. But the good news is, there's plenty of documentation and support available to help you get the most out of it. And if you're on the fence about investing, don't worry. HyperEnhancer AI offers a completely free trial through the first link in the description below. This way, you can try it out risk-free and see if it's a fit for your business needs. To wrap it up, HyperEnhancer AI is one of the most promising AI tools released recently. It combines automation, personalization, and continuous improvement to deliver exceptional results. And if you're serious about taking your digital marketing to the next level, I'd highly recommend giving it a try. Finally, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of the best AI software you can try for free. Check out the description below for my top recommendations. I'm confident you'll find something that fits your needs and helps you scale faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.